Your Honor, we have AMLAC has identified bank accounts, real properties, and personal properties, which includes motor vehicles and a helicopter, Your Honor.
So doon po sa mga bank accounts, ilan pong bank accounts ang subject po ng freeze order?
For the bank accounts, Your Honor, there were 88 principal accounts and 90 related accounts, Your Honor.
88 principal accounts and how many related accounts?
90 related accounts.
90 or 90?
90, Your Honor.
90 related accounts. Doon po sa mga bank accounts, magkano po ang kabuuang pera na subject po ng freeze order doon po sa mga bank accounts na yun?
The total peso equivalent that was frozen is more than 199 million, Your Honor.
199 million. You also mentioned a while ago that there were